So our documentary is all about drugs. We have chosen this topic as we intend to inform and educate the youth today all about the risks that drugs can cause you. We'll be interviewing two people who have past experience with drugs and therefore can offer some advice about the dangers. We feel that the taking of drugs is not taken as seriously as it should be. Did you know that 1 in 5 adults aged 16 to 24 have taken a drug in the last year? We plan to talk about things such as class of drugs, how drugs affect relationships, and legal and illegal drugs.
We plan to produce an interactive documentary on our topic of drugs. We plan to use an interactive documentary as we feel it's the most appropriate for this topic because it intends to document the real, and that does so by using interactive technology.
We intend to line up an interview with a police officer from the Thames Valley Police Station to enlighten us on what it's like to deal with drug crime and how it's affecting the youth of today. And we're also planning to interview two people from the youth of today to get their view on what it's like taking drugs and the effect it has on them. Yeah, we're done.
Sorry?
Yeah, we're done.
We're done?
Yeah.
Okay. Any questions or feedback?
When you say drug, do you mean like Class A and full-on illegal, or just
Yeah.
like...
We
Yeah,
Okay.
but then compared to its
Okay.
What? So you're interviewing people that have done drugs?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're going to up our amount of
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah, no, not that. What's the point of your documentary? This is about people that have done drugs?
Yeah, and to
To
show
show
the
the
effect it
effects
has
of
on
it,
them.
so like,
Oh yeah, sorry. Forgot about that.
So, following on from that, you obviously can't promote drug taking. So I'm assuming that when you say interviewing people and the effects that drugs have, you are coming at it from a negative
Yeah,
point of view.
Yeah,
Maybe,
some
yeah.
bias.
So it's going to be
Facts.
it's going to be kind of like a not quite a public service announcement, but kind of a raising awareness of the dangers
Yeah.
of drugs. Right? Okay. My next question would be: can you please actually go through the research rather than just let us sit here and read it? So can you take us through your infographic that you've got there? Don't just read it out loud, obviously, but just tell us why you've shown it.
We've shown this to give like physical evidence that a lot of people in today's youth do take drugs, and that it's like a rapidly rising thing, but we don't feel gets enough recognition as it should be.
Okay, so it says 68.42% have taken drugs. How many people did you ask in your survey? 20. Okay. You do. Where you've said, again, like I asked the last group, qualitative data. So the estimated 360,000, or is that your secondary research? I presume? Do you know, for example, though, like which of those 360,000, which had just like smoking a bit of weed and which were, you know, on the kind of Class A more dangerous drugs, or is that just a blanket?
yeah, that's just.
It's a general thing.
Blanket statistic. Okay. Any other questions for this group? No? Alright, lovely. Thank you, guys.
I wondered if